floor. Going up.
It's so quiet here. Look.
Because we're probably basically right now finished with the car.
The car. And who is the car?
The car is this evil demon of earth and fire. That is nearly done, and all we have is a little some white spaces, and the eye, and it's from the film Moana. It's not taking a long time. We did this in 20 minutes, probably 30 minutes now. Probably going to be 40 minutes when we finish it.
And how did you mix this color? This one?
I mixed it with two dark, mixed it with Paul's gray. I mixed with these two colors.
Nice, and it became really, really dark.
And it became really, really dark for the outside of this evil demon.
Oh, yeah, do you think this is a bit scary?
No.
Hate for Henry.
And how old? 5 years old.
5 years old. In a few years' time, if you still have this painting, then you will remember that you were 5 years old when you made it. Now we need to leave this one to dry. You see we got so much glitter and stuff going on over here. But this is such a cool painting. High five you! Yay! Well done. So let's see, which options do we have?
No, I think that's too dark.
Too dark? Okay, this one?
Could work, but let's see the others.
Okay, that one is a good option.
This is too light. This one looks good.
Yeah, we need different shades, right? For the shadows and the highlights. And this one. We might need a little bit of that as well, we can blend it in. Okay, let's bring them. Look at the sand. What color do you need for the sand?
Sand color?
Out there. Which shade? A sand color. Guess what? Guess what this is called?
Sand.
We've got grass green and sand. What shade is that? Beige. Alright, bags are packed and I'm ready for the airport. Saying my last goodbyes to the sea. And then I'm off. I'm actually looking forward to going back to London, though I've loved my time here. I loved every second, to be honest. It's been such a nice journey in so many ways. So, though it's sad to say goodbye to my lovely family that I've stayed with here, I'm still looking forward to going back to London and getting back to routines.